Hello everyone, I'm Paul and today we're solving problem 2161, partition array according to given pivot. This is a relatively simple medium problem, so next I will show you my thought process and efficient solution. We are given an integer array nums and an integer pivot. Our job is to rearrange nums such that we meet these conditions. And here basically it says that numbers that are smaller than the pivot appear before the pivot. Numbers that are larger than the pivot appear after the pivot, and numbers that are equal to the pivot appear in between the rest of the elements. And this is very important. We need to preserve the relative order of the elements smaller or larger than the pivot. So if we're given this input, we can return an array with 9, 8, 10, 10, and 12. Why? Well, because numbers in the middle are equal to the pivot. The numbers to the left are smaller than the pivot, these two, and the number to the right is larger than the pivot. And this is very important. We are preserving the relative order of the numbers. As you can see, in the original array, we had first 9, then 8, and we are preserving this order. So maybe you are thinking about sorting the array. But this is not valid because of this, basically. We need to preserve the relative order of numbers smaller than or greater than the pivot. So we need to think about something else. My first intuition was quite straightforward. We can have three arrays. One to keep track of the numbers before the pivot, another one for the numbers in the middle, and the other one for numbers after the pivot. And now we can iterate numbers from left to right, so first the I pointer is here and we have a 9. Given that this is strictly smaller than 10, we need to add this to before. So here we put a 9, we move the I pointer. Next we are here and the number is 8 and 8 is strictly smaller than 10, so we add it here. Next we have a 12 which is strictly larger than 10, so we add it here. Now this is equal to the pivot, so we add it here. And this is also equal to the pivot, so we add another 10 here. And now we can concatenate these three arrays. So we build an array with before first, so we have 9, 8, then we have mid, 10, and 10, and then we have after. This is the final result. Here we are iterating n numbers, so overall time complexity is big O of n, and space complexity is also big O of n because we need space for n numbers. So with this in mind, now let's go with the code. This is a short code. First we need to build the three arrays. So before is empty, mid is empty, and after is empty. And now we can say for every number in nums, if the number is strictly smaller than pivot, we can say before dot append the number. Else if the number is strictly larger than pivot, after dot append the number. Else this means that the number is equal to pivot, so mid dot append n. And down here we can return before plus mid plus after. Remember that we concatenate arrays like this in Python. So let's submit this and see if it works. As you can see, this works and it's very efficient. So if you found this useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.